Here we've got POCO M3, and let me show you how to clear up browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select history. And here just click on clear browsing data. And you will notice basic and advanced options. Under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cards, images and files. Then under advanced you have few more, which are saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. So just mark those that you would like to delete. As I would like to perform a full cleanup, I will leave them all marked, but obviously you can smoothly unmark it this way. Then you need to select the time range, so just click on time range and pick the preferred time. I will choose all time because I would like to clear it fully. Tap on clear data, tap on clear to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.